Yes, people, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we're taking a look at FTSE 100 live. So it's day 259. So let's take a look at what's going on. Stocks slide as jobs report leaves Bank of England on track for an interest rate hold. So see how things are going on the 16th of September, Tuesday. So the FTSE 100 and European market started the session lower as attention turns to a slew of central bank decisions later in the week. So UK labour market data has strengthened bets on the Bank of England's rate setters opting for another hold on interest rates on Thursday. Inflation data on Wednesday would also offer a read on the state of the economy heading into the autumn period. The Monetary Policy Committee is concerned that by continuing to slash the base rate, we could see a rise in inflation expectations, a jump in long dated gilt yields, and a steepening in the curve, which would be counterproductive to the bank's goal, said Matthew Ryan, head of market strategy at eBury. So we expect these fears to be reflected in a slightly more hawkish set of meeting minutes later in the week. On balance, we think that the rate guidance will probably remain unchanged from the previous meeting, with the bank to stick to its gradual and careful approach, which would give the MPC optionality to cut rates again later in the year in November. We think that there's a strong risk, however, that the language is tweaked in order to convey to markets that the committee is veering away from its quarterly pace of cuts in favour of an elongated pause. Also, President Donald Trump is arriving in the United Kingdom for his official state visit, visiting the royal family and the UK. For his second state visit, on the agenda are meetings with Keir Starmer and also tech bosses out there. So London's Premier Index fell around 0.2% at the opening of the bell. Consumer health brand Haleon and budget airline EasyJet were among the biggest losers in the index. Germany's DAX lost 0.3% ahead of ZEW survey that will give a read on economic confidence. The CAC 40 in Paris slid 0.3%. Pan-European Stock 600 declined 0.2%, and the sterling headed higher again against the dollar, trading near the $1.363 mark. Okay, people, there you have it. That's the FTSE 100 live right now on 16th of September, Tuesday. Do let us know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.